Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to look at is how to join your new Google Classroom for this school year. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to watch me kind of do it up here, kind of the I do part, and then we are going to do it together. Okay, and then we'll look at a couple more steps where you'll watch me do them, and then we'll do some more together. Okay, so remember, when you're watching me up on the screen, I expect that your hands are completely off your computer and that your eyes are up on the screen. Okay, when we get to that portion where you're working on your computer, your voices should still be at a level 0, and you should be raising your hand if you need any kind of help. Okay, so to get to our Google Classroom, I want you to find that icon on your desktop that will say Classroom under it. Okay, now it might say Google Classroom. It might have a different icon than the one I have up here. Okay, it might have a blue E that looks like this. Okay, or it might also have a different icon. So the most important thing to look for is not the icon, but the words either Classroom or Google Classroom. So on your computer, I want you to take your finger and point to your Google Classroom icon. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and double click on Classroom. Okay, and it's going to bring up a sign-in screen. Okay, your sign-in is where you're going to use your regular login. Okay, so your email address and then your password. Okay, now I want you guys on your computers to go ahead and open up Google Classrooms and sign in for me, please. Okay, so on your computers, open up Google Classroom and sign in. Great job. Okay, now when you open up your Google Classroom, you might have classes from that you were enrolled in last year. If that's the case, we're going to click on those 3 little dots and you're going to click on Remove. Okay, you can do that for any classroom up here that's an old classroom that's not a classroom for this school year. Okay, so on your computer now, I want you to go ahead and remove yourself from any classroom on there that is a classroom from last school year. Great job. Now we're going to go ahead and join your new classroom. Okay, so we're going to come over here and click this little plus button. We're going to click on the words Join Class. And now you're going to enter in, this is where you would enter in your code. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and do that on your computers. I want you to hit that plus button. Okay, and then we will put the classroom code up on the board for you to enter.